Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can update Microsoft Basic Display Adapter. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step, you simply need to come onto the search, and here you need to search for the device manager and click on open. And here you need to search for the display adapters. Click on that. That is, you simply need to click on that, and here you can see Intel R. Click on that and click on update driver. So you can see how do you want to search for drivers. You can search automatically for drivers. Okay, and the other method that you are going to use is browse my computer for drivers. So you can browse your computers for drivers. Okay, and the other method is search for the updates. Click on that, and here you can find the Windows updates, and you simply need to click on advanced option, and here you can see optional updates, and you can see different driver updates as well. Okay, and you simply need to select all these and click on download and install, because these are the driver updates. So this is a process by which you can update Microsoft Basic Display Adapter. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.